So it's time for another expert meditation activity. This time, I want you to go grocery shopping. Maybe shopping for clothes or anything else. But the thing about grocery shopping is that we do it often. And it often includes looking at a lot of different products that we will eat. And walking around in a store, looking at things, considering whether to buy them or not. Other people walking around, lots of colors, lots of price tags, lots of stuff happening. So being able to meditate while doing this is not easy. And so you can try doing it with a mantra if you want. You can try doing it by being aware of your breath or any other anchor point that you've used up until now. And then I want you to just be aware of the silence that you are. Just be the witness. Walk around the store, just taking in the sense perceptions, while you remain aware that I exist now. And so, of course, you can think while you consider whether you should buy this bread or that bread, But except for explicitly intellectual things like that, while walking around and looking, taking in the sights of the people you pass, of everything that's happening, just be silent. Just be like a kid that visits a store for the first time, so mesmerized by everything in there that he doesn't produce one single thought, because it's all just like a tunnel of fireworks. So see if you can do that. From the moment you stop your car, park your car outside of the store, and most likely now you should have been meditating already while driving to the store, or while taking the bus to the store, or while walking to the store. We've soon been through all the different situations a regular life consists of. And so you should be more than ready for something like this. But this is a notch harder than the others, because you have to simultaneously think about whatever you're going to buy and all the people whose eyes you will meet, all the eye contact, all the analyzing what you're going to buy, all the different products, everything that involves, and pushing the cart. That's an experience onto itself, maneuvering the cart through the store, which is pretty funny actually when you're looking at it from this way, this perspective. You're driving the cart, so try to drive it smoothly, elegantly. Don't smash into things if you usually smash into things. And just let the entire experience be completely immersive and immediate. And as thoughts might come and pop up, hundreds of reflex thoughts, I'm sure, just pull yourself back to knowing you exist and alternate between the different anchor points that you have tried during this course. Pull yourself back with the breath. Pull yourself back with the feeling of actually holding the cart or holding the products that you're looking at. Pull yourself back by tuning in to the sounds you hear, all the people talking, the clattering of things moving, everything that is in a store. So continue bringing yourself back. So you can bring yourself back with one of the anchor points, and then once you're back, you tune in to the knowing that you exist. And you try to stay centered and aware during the entire shopping session. Also, when you pay for the wares, try to stay aware. So I want you to do this every time you go to the store the next week. Use the shopping sessions as a way to meditate, because these sessions often entail a lot of urgency. You might not like to shop that much. You might be shopping usually when you're going home from work and you need to get home to the kids or your family, and so you're stressed because of that. So there's a lot of different things that are pulling us in different ways while we shop often. And so let all of that go. I'm here. I'm gonna buy food. And that's gonna happen. And this is happening. So just pull yourself back. Don't struggle with the thoughts, as you well know by now. Just let them be and keep focusing on what you do. And eventually, going shopping might actually be a way to meditate naturally for you. And so I want you, the first times, to do it alone. If you're able to, of course. We all have different life circumstances. But if you're able to, then go shopping alone a few times until you feel that you've mastered it, that you can keep a meditative state during the entire trip. And then you can go with somebody else. And whenever you're not talking to your friend or whoever it is, you go back and try to also hold it while talking to them. You will get more practice in this soon. So, good luck.